Here I got more eBay packages. The time is lighting, so I'm gonna unbox this top one first. Because I know it's my GE incandescent light bulbs. So let's move on. The bottom one is my mercury vapor ball, I believe. Sorry, I saw the HG mercury label on it. Just gotta be careful. There's glass in here, obviously. Oh my god. This is fucking hard to open. Really hard. One of my light bulbs still hasn't fucking came, and I'm getting mad at that seller, and I'm gonna report him. So, yep. Hopefully these are all in good shape. Like an open package. Hang on. Yep, but pretty good. They're vintage GE light bulbs. Either a rare. Yeah, I paid a lot for these, but look at that. It is nice. Hard to find incandescent light bulbs. They're very old. Very, very old. But very, very nice. Very vintage incandescent light bulbs. Yep, these seem to be in good shape. Sad to see these phase out. They're not that bad. Some people like the light of incandescent light bulbs. But $100 watts. Just gotta be extra careful with these. These are vintage style bulbs. Nothing else in the box. See? Definitely gotta keep this box and put this light bulb, put these light bulbs in. Got 6 of these. I only paid, actually pay too much. It's only like $18, but still expensive for incandescent light bulbs on eBay. Not see my crossbar kit. I don't think so. It's gonna take for a while for that package to come. Here's a very nice GE 175 watt Mercury vapor light bulb. It is super nice. Gotta be careful. It's an ED20 shape. ED28 shape. Sorry, my bad. These are the older GE. Appears to be in good shape. Looks like a probe start metal halide bulb, but it's not. You can see the arc tube is completely clear. Hers is not much mercury in there. Look at that. It is low mercury content. So, set that aside. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Some warning labels. It's not gonna get like too hot, but you still gotta follow these labels. You still get up to 500 degrees. Maybe not 500, but like 350 or something. 400 watt will definitely reach 500 degrees. These are only 175 watt bulbs. Yeah. Very nice Mercury vapor light bulb. You will not find these much anymore. See, 7850 lumens, super bright. Thanks for watching.